Hi, I'm Christian Grobmeier, Java champion and long-time contributor to Apache Log4j. If you've ever wondered how to make your logs help you, not hurt you, this is the book that shows you how. Years ago, I was staring at endless log files, trying to tell what mattered and what was just noise. It took me a long time to realize logging isn't just about writing logs. It's about writing the right logs. You don't have to figure this out on your own. In Java Logging with Log4j, I will show you how to write logs that actually help, use the tools that make them readable, and work with today's most popular frameworks. Logs are your map through the system. This book teaches you how to read that map. I wrote this book for beginners who want to stop fighting the logs and turn them into a powerful tool. If that's you, head over to manning.com and take a look. You can also connect with me on the Livebook page or social media. I'd love to hear how you're using Java logging.